This is Andy, now the service manager here at Compaction Technologies, with a reminder to clean the interior of your compactors regularly and a reminder to rotate your compactors for even wear. First, let's talk about cleaning the interiors. You probably do a nice job wiping down the exterior of your compactors, so they look good for your customers. But cleaning the inside at least once a week is important to prevent unnecessary breakdowns, and it's really simple to do. To start, you should take the bag out, so you're beginning with an empty trash bin inside the unit. Then, remove the black plastic head cover like this. Pull on the sides of the black plastic head cover, above the holes, in the middle of the black plastic head cover, until they clear the metal tabs. When you've cleared the tabs, the black plastic head cover should wiggle off the aluminum compactor head. Here's what it looks like when the sides are off. You can see the tab and the hole in the head cover. Once the black plastic head cover is off, rinse, wash it with a brush and mild soap, and rinse it again with water. While you have the black plastic head cover off, be sure to pull any loose trash out of the inside of the aluminum compactor head. Wipe up any liquids, and then wipe the outside of the aluminum compactor head. When the black plastic head cover is clean, the aluminum compactor head is clean inside and out. Reattach the black plastic head cover, and be sure to have the word front facing outwards. Center the plastic head cover directly under the aluminum compactor head, and push evenly upwards from the bottom until you hear it snap into place. Then, let's clean the plastic side shields and the back side of the big door. Please use a sprayable all-purpose cleaner and avoid any bleach or chlorine-based products. At our shop, we use Windex, and it works just fine. Spray the plastic side shields and the back side of the big door so that everything is wet. The key is to let it soak for 3 or 4 minutes before wiping it down. Keep the empty trash bin in place to catch any liquids that drips down from the sides, and if any cleaner drips on the floor under the big door, be sure to wipe it up. After it's done soaking, wipe down the walls and the back side of the big door with paper towel or a rag. If it's been more than a week since you've done this, you may need to repeat this process on any sticky areas. If you clean the interior once a week, there won't be much buildup and it can be cleaned in one cycle. When the plastic side shields and back side of the big door are done, remove the trash bin and wash it the same way you did the black plastic head cover. Be sure to really clean the underside of the trash bin well. When you're done, let it dry or wipe it down so it's dry. Before putting the trash bin back inside the compactor, you should remove any litter that might be inside the bottom of the compactor and wipe up any liquids. Finally, make sure the black plastic head cover is back in place with the word front facing outward and the trash bin is lined with a clean bag and back inside with the silver handle facing outwards. After you do this a few times, the process should take about 3 minutes per unit, and it's a great way to keep your original EcoTrash units fresh and working well. Next, let's talk about rotating your compactors for even wear. Just like the tires on your car, your compactors don't wear evenly. Some get more use than others. The best way to visualize this is to think of your compactors being hooked together like a train. You simply move them one position to the right or clockwise every time. So, if you have 2 compactors or 22 compactors in your location, you will move them from high volume to low volume deposit points. Here's what I mean. This is a picture of a quick serve restaurant dining room with 2 compactors. Imagine if they were hooked together like train cars. 2 times a year, they should be rotated to the right 1 position. This same principle works if you have more than 2 compactors. This is a picture of a big food court with 13 compactors. 2 times a year, they rotate compactors 1 position to the right in the clockwise direction so they wear evenly. You should rotate your compactors at least 2 times a year. We recommend every 6 months, on Mother's Day and Thanksgiving. By rotating, you're helping yourself avoid service calls because you're doing a good job spreading the volume evenly between your compactors. So that's it. Clean your compactor interiors at least once a week and rotate them at least twice a year for even wear. If you have any questions, please call our service number at 612-230-2209 or the number on your compactor located on the serial tag or on the bottom left of the deposit door. This is Andy with Compaction Technologies, and we thank you for your business.